Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for Courses. Report on all touchpoints without platform bias. CallRail objectively tracks the impact of each touchpoint in the customer journey, including ads, organic searches, direct mail, and much more. You can then package that data into easy-to-interpret reports that prove the value of your work to your clients. CallRail Courses. Getting started with call tracking. How call tracking works. Under the hood, call tracking uses dynamic number insertion to keep track of online activity like PPC ads, emails, social media posts, and keywords. Source-level tracking follows the calls from offline marketing pieces, ads, mailers, brochures, billboards, and more. Long story short, if you can put a phone number on it, you can track it. In addition to revealing the sources behind your calls, you'll also gain access to each lead's name, number, and location. With CallRail, you can record your calls too. Partnership. We're better together. If your business relies on quality customer conversations, you need CallRail. Match inbound calls, text, forms, and live chats to your marketing campaigns to finally learn what's working and what's not. Here are 3 ways we can grow together. Affiliate partnership, agency partnership, technology partnership. Report on all touchpoints without platform bias. With Lead Center, you can sell, text, and chat from one easy-to-use form inbox. Combined with our analytics suite, you'll also have the real-time visibility to know which marketing sources are making your phone ring. CallRail objectively tracks the impact of each touchpoint in the customer journey, including ads, organic searches, direct mail, and much more. You can then package that data into easy-to-interpret reports that prove the value of your work to your clients. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.